Nangyayari sa ano ko, sa app ko. Kunin natin to, plus 5, plus $9. Maganda bigayan ngayon ng Uber talaga. Ang dami ng tao ah. Ang ganda dito. Yeah. Yeah, take care bro.
Oh, you park the same way I park.
Right there. Mahirap dito yung parking talaga. Mga friends, may mga viewer kasi ko ng India eh. Veggie Delight. Yeah, Indian mahilig sa mga veggies. So, sa healthy. Kaya matatagal ang mga buhay nila.
Engine running, phone on ring. Another delivery, chasing dreams. Downtown lights and the highway glow. Rain keeps falling, but I still go.
So our first order for today is for Austin R. Uber pickup for Austin? Yeah. Thank you. Medyo kabubukas lang kasi nila ng store nila. Tapos meron kagad 4 na customer. So kailangan natin medyo magantay. So 8 o'clock dito ng morning.
Austin R says, leave at door.
Dito. Maganda pa siyang bulaklak. Oh, nangyari. Wait. Nagka-error yung ano. Oh, nangyari sa ano ko. Sa app ko. Yun. Medyo parang lolo ko. Alright, got it. Parang naghahang yung cellphone ko. First order finish. Yan ang problema pagka sumablay yung telepono. Ewan ko ba't naghahang to. Kasi pag nararamdaman ko medyo mainit siya eh. Huwag naman sana. Kabibili ko lang yan ng 6 months ago. Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons, $8, 5 kilometers. Yeah, ayan, okay yan. Kunin natin. $8. Pero phone, huwag kang papalya ha. Importante ka. Kailangan kita. Huwag kang bibigay bro. Kapit lang. Next pick up. Miloni M. Yun, dagdag pa sa AMW. Yeah. Kunin natin to, plus 5, plus $9. Okay, accept. Ganda yung mga bigay. Good morning. Uber pickup for Miloni. 58D. 5BD.
5BD?
Yeah. Thank you. For Jordan B. 64D. Yes. Thank you. Unang order ulit para kay Miloni. Libat door lang. Yun yung Tim Hortons. Tara. Yung AMW naman, meron siyang note, third door on the left side of the house. Okay, yun lang. So 9 minutes trip. Let's go.
Turn right on 156. Jordan V says, leave at door, third door on the left side of the house.
Ayan na pala siya. So left side facing the house. Uy. Ayos ah. Meron na agad ulit. Subway. Kunin natin yan. Sige, $6. Good.
Head to your pickup at Subway King George and 104.
Kakatapos lang natin, nagpapap agad. Maganda bigayan ngayon ng Uber talaga. Pick up natin para kay Jordan. 2 cold cut combo. Ano ba yan? Yung sandwich na mahaba. Hello. Morning. I have pick up for Jordan. Thanks. Goods ready na. Napaka-smooth na biyahe natin. Dito sa dami ng buildings. So, like 10 years ago, wala pa yung mga yan. Ngayon, parang downtown Vancouver na. Okay, order number 4 natin. So, leave a door. Tapos may note siya, drop at my door, please and thank you. Drop at my door lang pala yan. Hindi naman talaga gagawin natin pag leave a door.
In 600 meters, turn left on 132 Street using the left lane.
Swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe.
Touch ay, sige, $6, 4 kilometers. Agad lang. Maganda yung bigay.
Drop off.
You just gotta be.
Jordan M says, leave at door, drop at my front door, please and thank you.
You just gotta be fearless.
Delivered.
Head to your pickup at the Chai Bar Surrey 10227 King George Boulevard.
Fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be Fearless.
Boulevard, then turn right.
Oo ba? Parang babuti. First time natin. Got 3 items. 3 alu paratha. Oh, ano pala to, India. Ang dami ng tao. Ang ganda dito. Morning. Pick up for Gurveer. Yeah, Gurveer is. Yeah. I verify. Thank you. Indian restaurant. Pero dami ng tao maaga pa lang. 9:22. Meron na mga 4 na mga customers doon. Sabihin, baka masarap doon.
102 Avenue.
Ano ba tayo? Order number 5? Parang 5 na yata. Yeah. So, kay Gurviv S tayo. Meet at door. At merong enter delivery pin. So, may hingin tayong pin pagdating natin sa kanya. Morning, sir. Good. How are you? Just woke up? Yeah. What's the number? 35. Thank you so much. Yeah, you too. Good. Front door sabi niya. Pero ayos lang. Done ulit. $6. Wow. Ang ganda bigay ni Uber. Mag-recap nga tayo. So, nakamagano na. Okay. Naka $33 na tayo. 5 trips sa 1 hour and 30 and 1 hour and 27 minutes. So, lahat in-accept natin siya. Ano pa lang ngayon? 9:38 ng morning. Usually, pag ganyang alanganing oras, hindi busy, di ba? Pero ngayon, maganda bigay sa atin ng Uber. So, thank you, Uber. Okay, tara. Hanap tayo ng pwesto. Ayun, sakto. $7. 7 kilometers. 1:1. Kunin natin.
In 300 meters, turn right on 137A Street. Turn right on 137A Street, then pick up.
Okay. Yun lang yung parking.
Pick up.
Sa loob ng building. Ito, may isang spot pa dito. Pay parking siya, pero may hazard na lang natin. Mabilisan lang naman tayo. Ilan may pipick upin natin? 3 items lang? Hindi na natin eh. Ito pala Starbucks sa kabila. Kala ko sa loob dito. May Subway din pala dito. Okay, first time ulit natin. Medyo busy siya. Nakakayang busy siya. Time na lang natin. You're Uber?
Yeah.
Uber?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Busy?
Not that.
Not much?
What about you?
It's okay.
I did like from 6 in the morning.
For what?
6 in the morning
Yeah?
till now, 100 bucks. Non-stop going on.
Non-stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
You just started though?
Yeah, 3 months.
Oh, 3 months.
3
Oh,
months.
You are older than me.
Mm.
This is my second month.
Really? Oh. Usually I do in Langley because my work, I have a full-time. This is just my...
This is my that's not full time too. I have this is my
Yeah,
part-time.
nice. Yeah. Whenever you're free, right?
Yeah.
You do this. It's good.
I actually do like evening about 2-3 hours.
Me, I do morning and evening because my way going to work, there's a lot of restaurants. I do 1 hour, 2 hours. What car are you driving? What are you doing?
I have
Honda.
a BMW too, so I took out BMW.
You can't use that for Uber. But BMW, you use it?
I should go to the car.
Oh, you know, expensive for the maintenance, no?
Why I drive BMW to work and stuff.
Yeah, that's for the work.
Uber I'm doing.
Yeah,
Honda.
yeah. Me, I only have one, but it's a hybrid.
Oh, I don't
Yeah.
know. That's why I said I don't really rush.
Yeah.
Like, no, I don't really care.
Yeah.
I mean, if I get whatever I get.
Yeah, yeah. And you choose your order, right?
This is so long now.
I know, they're busy. I think that's gonna be ours to get a bag there.
Problem with the parking.
Yeah, it is here. Parking, especially if you go in the high rises. I don't know where to park.
Like all Jollibee and
Jollibee, yeah, you have to walk. It's underground, right? There's a
I just park right.
yeah. Before you can park in the aisle, but they put cones now, right? And right now my parking is there.
I'm actually parked the wrong way right now. Yeah.
Which one?
This one right there. I've been outdoor. I've been doing it.
I,
Total line, campaign, just check the name.
oh, this one is mine.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you. Nice.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, you too, man.
And that tell is looks like to be busy day today.
Yeah,
Yeah. It will be nice.
that's good. Maybe I
want to
can.
finish by 4 o'clock done.
Yeah. Me, I have to finish at 2 because we are going somewhere.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah. Take care, bro.
Oh, you park the same way I park.
It's right there. Si Kuya, dalawa daw yung sasakyan niya. Meron siyang isang Civic, meron siyang BMW. Ganun naman talaga dapat. Kaso wala pa tayong pambili ng second na kotse. Kaya, pag makaipon tayo siguro, kung makaipon, targetin natin kasi naawa din ako sa sasakyan ko na to. Nalalamog yung mileage ko eh. Ayos din, minsan nakakapagkwentuhan ka ng ganyan sa mga drivers din. O, back to ulit tayo sa trabaho para kay Elvina. Next order, Elvina. Tara, let's go. Done na ulit. Meron tayo matching. Puntang A&W King George. $5. Try natin. Nakuha natin.
Using the right lane, turn right on 100 Avenue.
May ganito, libre. Isang item lang. Worth $5 ang bayad sa atin. Morning, I have Uber for Mavis. Thank you.
And one extra. Half a day.
Hello.
Hi, good morning, Uber.
Okay.
Thank you.
Floor going up.
Oh, morning. Thank you. Done. Yun, ano yun? May lumabas. Matching. $5 McDo. Tara, try natin. $5, 2 kilometers. Maganda yan. Tagal mo mag-decide, Uber.
Head to your pickup at
Yun.
McDonald's Guildford.
Thank you. Atin, napunta sa atin. Last na to siguro or one more? Maaga pa eh. One more kasi babiyahe tayo next week. Magka-camping kami next week eh. So kailangan ko ng extra anda. Yeah, mag-Uber tayo hanggang 12 siguro.
Turn left, then turn right.
Let's go, next order. Para kay, pangalan ito. Naku na lang na naman. Janessa M. Hi, I have Uber for Janessa. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Leave at door lang ulit. Okay.
Turn right on 102A Avenue, then turn left on 152 Street.
Okay.
Drop off on the right. Janessa M says, leave at door 107. Please leave food at building door underneath buzzer. You don't need to buzz in. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Ito ang building to. What? Ito ba yung 1, 4, 8, 5? Oh yeah, ito. Okay, picturean na rin natin para may kopya tayo. Picturean lang natin para sigurado tayo. Thank you. You have a good day. Okay, pwede pa tayo? Mga dalawa siguro. Ano tayo parking? Ayun, meron na ulit. $4 for 3 kilometers. Diba natin yan? Okay, yeah. Pick up for Gurshan S. Indian cuisine ulit. Slice and bite. O ayan mga friends. May mga viewer kasi ko ng India eh. O ayan, pizza to. Ano ba to? Gluten-free pizza. Akala ko free. Oh guys. Kita nyo ba? Cheese pizza. Non-vegetarian. Tsaka may vegetarian sila. Veggie delight. Yeah, yung Indian mahilig sa mga veggies, which is okay kasi sa healthy. Kaya matatagal ang mga buhay nila. Mahaba buhay nila dahil puro vegetable ang kinakain. Tayong mga Pinay, puro mantika eh. Prito, adobo. Yan. Puro veggies, kaya dumadami sila eh. Medyo nararamdaman ko na yung gutom. So medyo after nito, last one, tapos uwi na tayo. Kota naman na eh. Thank you. Kala ko pizza. Iba in order. Okay, enter natin. Mahaba ang kanyang note. Para kay Gurshan, 4 minutes from here. Sabi niya, when entering the driveway suit is on your left side. Enter through the wood gate and leave it outside the first door on your right. Okay. English. Kaya natin yan. English lang yan, Pinoy tayo. Let's go. Minsan kasi yung mga ganyang instruction, nakala mo ang hirap, pero napaka-basic lang naman kung iintindihin. Basic lang yan.
Let's go! Engine running, phone on ring. Another delivery, chasing dreams. Downtown lights and the highway glow. Rain keeps falling, but I still go. Fast lane moving through the night. Camera rolling,
In 300 meters, drop off.
Ayun, ito sa kabila.
Gurshan S says, leave at door.
Ayun yung wood gate. Ito yung left side. Tapos, leave it outside the first door on your right. Kailangan din natin ng camera for safety. First door on your right. So, ito. First door. Okay. Done. Enjoy your lunch. Uy, may lumabas na naman. Ito. Good. Matching siya. A&W. $5. Try natin. Matching kayo natin. Papugian ulit. Antayin natin kung ano mapupunta sa atin. Ganda, tuloy-tuloy yung order.
Head to your pickup at
sakto.
A&W Fleetwood Town Square.
O, diba? Tuloy-tuloy. Okay, A&W tayo para kay Rose P. Let's go. Dagdag. Ay, malayo na to. Ayoko. Burnaby. No, cancel. Malayo na yan sobra. Pauwi na tayo eh. Last order na siguro to eh. Or isa pa pag kami makuha tayo sa daan. Rospi. Thank you. Do not doorbell. Text me when you arrive. Thank you. Okay, so remember that. You have to text when we arrive. Got it.
Turn right, then drop off. Ross P says, leave at door,
Okay.
Unit 22, do not doorbell, text when you arrive. Thank you, drop off.
Done. So, nakatotal tayo ng 59. Ayos na yan. Goods. Dito na lang ulit. Dito na lang po ulit tayo. Uwi na ako. Kasi nahihilo na ako sa gutom eh. Pwede na yan, okay na yan. Maraming po salamat ulit sa pagsama. Paki-like and share. Baka may magustuhan nitong video natin para post lang tayo ng post. Tuloy-tuloy lang. So hanggang sa ulitin po, maraming pong salamat. Sana hindi na po tayo mabawasan. Lalo tayo madagdagan. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you. Bye. Mama Chup Chup.
Joseph Yanes.